So we just finished up last month's curriculum of Friends and Feelings. Before we open the next kit, we kind of work through a transition to a next topic. So we went from Friends and Feelings to learn about friends all around the world and why they're all around the world, and learning about fall and seasons. And now we're going to open up a seasonal kit on Orchard Harvest from Mother Goose Time. I'll show you what's inside. I always get a little thank you note. And a teacher tool bag with teacher resources, lesson plans, music CD, that sort of thing. And then you get one day bag for each sub-theme. So for the first week it's seeds, and learning about roots, trunks, branches, and leaves. So that's a great way to segue off of her fall lessons and into fall on the farm and orchard lessons about fruits. And animals that might visit orchards. I was expecting more about farm animals, but this is cool too. And other things that grow in trees, it looks like. And some are seasonal, like apples in our areas, and some are for faraway places.